You take your car in for an oil change. 30 minutes later, the mechanic says your brakes are worn out, your coolant is contaminated, and your belt's about to snap. Total cost? $1,300. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. You probably didn't need most of that. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on what some mechanics don't want you to know. Not because they're evil, but because confused customers are profitable customers. Let's fix that. Section 1. Fear sells. The number one tactic? Fear. Scare you just enough, so you agree to anything. They'll say, Winnie, your transmission fluid is black. It's critical. Your brake pads are dangerously low. You really shouldn't drive it like this. But here's the truth. Transmission fluid naturally darkens over time. It doesn't mean it's bad. Brake pads are often good until they hit 3 millimeters. But some shops recommend replacement at 6 or even 7. And no, your engine isn't going to explode tomorrow. Always ask, can you show me what you're seeing? If they hesitate, that's a red flag. Section 2. The oil change trap. You came in for a $40 oil change. Now your bill's $130. What happened? The premium synthetic upgrade, the fuel system cleaning, the high mileage package. Do you actually need all that? Probably not. Here's the secret. Unless your owner's manual specifically says synthetic oil required, you can run regular oil just fine and save a bunch. Same goes for those cleaners. Most modern engines and fuel systems don't need additives, especially not at every oil change. Bottom line, stick to what your manual says, not what the upsell guy recommends. Section 3. The check engine scam. Check engine light comes on. You panic. The shop quotes you $700, and you don't even know what's wrong. Want to take control? Buy a $20 OBD2 scanner. Plug it in under your dashboard. You'll get a code and a clue. Even better? Most auto parts stores, like AutoZone, will scan it for free. Here's the fun part. In almost half the cases, the issue is something simple, like a loose gas cap. So don't hand over your wallet the moment that light appears. Section 4. They want you to come back. Some shady shops don't just fix your problem. They create future ones. Here's how it works. They half fix an issue, or notice something minor, then touch it just enough for it to become a problem later. It's not every mechanic, but it happens. That's why good mechanics offer photo or video proof. Give back your old parts without you asking. Explain everything without pressure. If your shop resists those things, time to find a new one. Section 5. How to never get ripped off again. Even if you know nothing about cars, you can still avoid getting scammed. Here's how. 1. Never say, I don't know anything about cars. 2, say, can you show me what you're talking about? 3, get a second opinion. Always. Better yet, read your manual. It literally tells you what needs to be done and when. Bonus tip, ask this one question at any shop. Is this a safety issue or just maintenance? If they pause, you have your answer. Final message, look, most mechanics are honest, hardworking people. But the system, it profits when you're in the dark. Now you're not. Now you know what to ask, what to question, and what to say no to. If this video helped you out, give it a like and hit subscribe for more real-world car tips they won't teach you at the shop.